It seemed to me that in order for the African Hebrew Israelites to become citizens, they needed allies in the Israeli government. The first ally was Jacques Amir, who was a member of the Knesset and later the mayor of Dimona. What made you decide to help blacks in Dimona here in Israel?
למה החלטת לעזור את השחורים פה בדימונה?
הבעיה היא לא החלטה.
The problem was not the
הבעיה
decision.
שהייתי ראש עיר בפעם הראשונה בבחירות אישיות ישירות.
The problem was that he was the mayor by election.
מה שהיום ראש הממשלה בבחירות אישיות.
That today we have direct elections.
הרגשתי.
And he felt
שהאחריות
that the responsibility of the city of Dimona and what happens in Dimona rested on his shoulders. Because the citizens, they didn't just choose his party, but they chose him personally. And he knows that many people in his party, the opposite party chose Begin, and that he was from the opposing party in Dimona as the mayor.
I asked Mr. Amir, why was the Knesset concerned with the African Hebrew Israelites living in Dimona?
One of the biggest problems so was between what happened, what they were called at the time as the black Hebrews, that the first arrivees received status as new immigrants.
ומי שהחליט על זה, זה היה בזמנו שר הפנים שהיה שפירא מהמפד"ל.
At that time it was the Minister of Interior, Shapir, and Yigal Allon, who was from the Labour Party, and he was the Minister of Absorption.
After
the first group was absorbed in Dimona and received the assistance of the Ministry of Absorption, and others decided to come. And they didn't receive the they didn't receive the benefits of new immigrants as the first arrivees had. But they came to Dimona. And so they came to a city where there was no budget for them, and really no place for them. And the city municipality was not rich. They didn't have a budget to handle the influx.
The African Hebrew Israelites were placed in the city of Dimona to discourage them. It is a city that is a refugee melting pot, and their first living conditions were poor at best.
There were too many people in one apartment. They were cooking for a number of people. They were using bomb shelters, converting them to places of use. And the citizens of Dimona saw that as a disturbance to the normal lifestyle. And they were concerned that their neighborhoods, the quality of neighborhoods would be decreased.
I also spoke with the current city spokesman for the city of Dimona, Mati Kinyan. He said the relationship between the African Hebrew Israelites and the city of Dimona is a good one. If that is the case, I asked, why was it taking so long for them to become citizens?
If it was up to us, it wouldn't take so long for them to get citizenship. But the things that we do are also to help the community in the direction of citizenship. I would like to explain that 2 to 3 years ago there wasn't a school for the children of the community, and we did very diligent work that the Hebrews would receive education like all the other children in Dimona. We want all the children in Dimona to receive good education like the children in Tel Aviv.